Hello everyone, welcome back to SPC tutorial series. In last video we have seen that we have created this line 50B9. Now we are going to create this 40B10 line which is connecting from this point. So we will go to the software directly, go to this plant option, go to metric unit, click on OK. After clicking OK, this window will appear. In this window, click on this file option, go to define workspace, drop down the filter, click on more and select the filter which we have created in previous video. Click on OK. After click on OK. Select this fit to zoom option, select this common views. Now this is there. Now this is what we have created till now. Select this area, right click, select nested, right click again, click on hide. Zoom this piping unit and select this 50B9. Right click, click on show. Now this is what we have created in last video. Now one OLED needs to be created. For that, first of all we will create one new line. Right click, click on new system, pipeline. Give the name for pipeline 40B10. Okay. Now go to this task option, go to this piping. Now select this. Now what we have to create? One OLED we have to create. For that, insert component. Now select this pipeline. When this dotted line will come, and this drop down this, select socket, new pipe run. Select the pipeline, drop down this, click on more, expand this and select 40B10. Click on OK. Select the size, that is 40, that is 1.5 inch. Click OK. Drop down this, temperature pressure 00, click on OK. After clicking OK, this will show. Now for position, activate this pinpoint option. Now we can see the position 102, 135. So put here 102, 135. Click enter, click anywhere on the screen, click on finish. Now this is created. Now we will connect the pipe. I'm changing the view. Now click on root pipe, select the point, lock the position. After locking the position, you can see the position. This is going 311863. So we can put here minus 311863. Click enter, click anywhere on the screen, click escape. Now one elbow is there. Insert component, select the point, 90-degree direction change, reference position to origin, change angle to 90 degree, 180 degree. Okay. Click on finish. Now root pipe. For that, click on this point, root pipe, lock the position. We can see the position here. It is 100,610. So we can put here 100,610. Click enter, click anywhere on the screen, click escape. Now again 90-degree direction change. Insert component, select the position, 90-degree direction change, click position to origin, angle is okay, click on OK. After this, root pipe again, some spool, lock the position, 100 mm spool, click on screen, escape. Now one reducer is there, select the point, concentric or eccentric, you can put anyone. Concentric size change, new pipe run, give the name reducer. Reducer sizes, you can see here 25, that is 1 inch. We can change this to 1 inch. drop down this, temperature पे है 00, click OK, click on finish. Now again root pipe 100 mm spool, click anywhere on the screen. Now insert component, flange, click on finish. Again insert component, gate wall or control wall. For that, browse custom instrument, drop down this, click on more, drop down this, select any wall, select the wall, click OK, click on finish. Again insert component, flange, click on finish, click anywhere on the screen again. Now insert component, reducer, concentric size change, select graphically, select this line, click on finish. Now click anywhere on the screen, you can see that. Now 190-degree direction change, insert component, select the point, 90-degree direction change, click on finish. Again root pipe, lock the position, you can see the up position is 104, 160. The position is, you can put here 104, 160. Click enter, click anywhere on the screen. Now this is going to this direction, north direction. North position is 309080. Now click on escape. Now we will change the view. Insert component, select the point, 90-degree direction change, change this position to origin, change angle to 90 degree, 270 degree, enter, click on finish. Now again root pipe, lock the north position. After locking the north position, we can give the position 309080. Click enter, click anywhere on the screen, click escape. After escaping, you can see that the pipeline is going towards this side. Now upside, for that again click on this, insert component, 90-degree direction change, select position to origin, click on finish. Again root pipe, lock the position, give the position, that is 104,904, 104,904, click enter, click anywhere on the screen, click on escape. Again insert component, 90-degree direction change, select position to origin, click on finish. Root pipe again, lock the position, lock the east position, we can see the direction. This is going towards east and the position is 303000. You can put here -303000. Click enter, click anywhere on the screen, click escape. Now this pipeline is created. Now one branch line we have to create. For that, again changing the view. Now insert component, select the pipe. Now 180 T, size change to 1.5 to 1 inch, and position is, we can see the position here, position is 101675. put here 101675, click enter, click on finish. Now again root pipe, for that click on root pipe, select the point, the name is branch, I'm giving the name branch, other things are same, click on OK, lock the east position and select this pipe. Now one gate wall we will give here, for that insert component, select the pipe, give the gate wall or globe hole, click on finish. Now two gate walls are here, for that insert component again, give the position, after that gate wall, change the angle to 270, okay, and position is, you can see here, position is 101000, 101000, click enter, click on finish. Again here also select this gate wall, all things are created, change this angle to 90 degree, click on finish, click on escape. Now we can see that our pipeline is created. I hope you understand this video. We will continue further in next video. Till then, thank you.